I wanted a ring, that's what I thought. Think, thought. But a cheap plastic toy is what he brought. Brought. I yelled and I screamed, oh how he fought. Fought. I wanted to leave, the ticket I bought. Bought. I packed up my bags and soon I left. Left. It's hard to describe how bad I felt. Felt. A lesson in love is what I taught. Teach, taught. He was smart, the idea he caught. Catch, caught. The very next day by my door he stood. Stood. He looked like he finally understood. Understood. He asked for a chance, the words he said. He held the ring for the ring he paid. I played the fool with the lies I told. I took the ring and quickly sold. It cost a lot, the cash I kept. I forgot his name before I slept. Slept.